Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Susana. Hi, how's it going? I'm Susana. Este, this, for masculine nouns. Esta, this, for feminine nouns. These go before the verb ser, to be. Este es Antonio. This is Antonio. Esta es Marta. This is Marta. Hey, Alaya family. Ready to take our next step together? Every time we connect, we learn a little more, because that's what knowledge does. It grows, expands, and strengthens with every new conversation. So today, let's take another step together. In this video, we'll learn how to introduce someone else, a friend, a family member, even a pet. Yes, this works for animals and even personified objects. And we'll also learn what to say when someone introduces us, both in informal and formal situations. Let's begin. Introducing someone in an informal situation. If we're in a casual setting, like among friends, we use ESTE, this, for masculine nouns, ESTA, this, for feminine nouns. These go before the verb ser, to be. Este es Antonio. This is Antonio. Esta es Marta. This is Marta. And how does the other person respond? By introducing themselves. Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Alejandro. Hi, how's it going? I'm Alejandro. Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Susana. Hi, how's it going? I'm Susana. Introducing someone in a formal situation. What if we're in a professional setting or a more formal event? It's very simple. We use a more polite structure. Le presento al Señor García. Let me introduce you to Mr. Garcia. Le presento a la Señora Rodríguez. Let me introduce you to Mrs. Rodríguez. And how does the other person respond? Encantado. Nice to meet you, if the speaker is a man. Encantada. Nice to meet you, if the speaker is a woman. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Neutral, works for everyone. A quick note on titles. In Spanish, we use Señor, Mr. Sir, abbreviated as SR, Señora, Mrs. Madam, abbreviated as SRA, Señorita, Miss, used for young women, abbreviated as SRTA. Now it's your turn. Find more info below, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. A big hug, and take care.